tell by the title, we're doing opening a fan mail that is my uncle that's named Caesar, and he collects one of these. So thank you and thanks. Love you. Cinderella one.
And it got Katos on your back.
Because it says Cinderella right here.
And it got Katos on your back.
I want to be careful.
Because you don't want to get it messed up, right?
How do I do this? It has to be.
Yeah.
I want to be careful.
So don't open it.
So, sorry about that. We had a little mistake here. My sister opened it, and she does not like going in the camera. So let's open it. On the bubble wrap. Okay. It's popped so thick I don't get it. So it's a Cinderella one. So it's like that. And I'm gonna try to find one of these. I like Rapunzel. I have Cinderella one. And there's an Ariel one. There's Belle one. There's a Rapunzel one. I'm gonna try to look for it. Okay. There's a Tiana one. And she'll be holding it to show you it. So the next one, oh, so I had scissors just in case. Don't worry, I have adults here to supervise me up here. So the next one, okay, I'm gonna be careful. Hey, now character. Okay, so she's gonna go like that. And a Cinderella one. It's a Disney character.
Frozen. You like Frozen?
Okay, so
Do keep this one or this one? Both?
Alicia's coming.
Oh, which one do you keep it? That one or this one? Which one?
So this is gonna be my favorite one.
Then I'll keep it this one.
So I'm not gonna be opening both of them because it's not to play with. It's a collectible. Okay.
It's so hard, right?
No.
Which one do you keep
Oh my
it?
god.
Which
I
one?
have an Elsa one.
Which
'cause
one
it
do-
says Elsa.
Which one do you keep it?
So
You keep it that one or
okay,
this
no.
one?
I'm gonna keep all of them. So it says Elsa right here. It's a pop something. And thank you, my uncle.
Wobbly.
And the characters are Olaf, my favorite ones, cute. These two are my favorites. We have kids of Lucy. Ben. And we have Anna, the main character. All of these are the main characters. We have Elsa that I have right now. We have Kristoff, the another main character. And I don't want the Hans one.
Do you like this
I don't
one?
like Hans. He's too ugly.
You like this one?
One time I got a dollar of him and I dirtied his face. I just really noticed them. They're called Pop Funkos. And I didn't know because they had a little sign right here. And It just helped me. I like this one, so I'm going to talk about this one. I like Elsa. I like Elsa because the snowflake is like see-through. So, and I like her eyes, even her eyebrows. Even the hair, because I wish I could open it. I could, but maybe on that video. If we do a room tour, that's on my site. Because we had two. So, I'm going to talk about Cinderella. That I like hers because I like the blonde hair and the bun. I wish I could do a bun up there. Even her choker that's right here. And the numbers is 222. This one's 82. Right there. And I like this one the most because it's my favorite character. And I'm gonna collect all of them of these right here because I love them. And I kind of like Cinderella. She's the one she's a Cinderella lover. And I Rapunzel lover. And Belle and Ariel and Tiana. I little girls. So yeah. So this is the end of opening my fan mail. So thank you, Uncle, for sending these fan mail to me. And I hope you like this video.